Hey everybody, it's Christina Daves with this week's Get Famous Friday PR tip. This week I want to talk about collaboration. If you can collaborate with somebody else in your space, if you have a product, somebody who has a similar type product, you bring them all in together on your media pitch, you will have a lot more success when you pitch the media. They like to have different perspectives, different experts in there. So if you've been pitching something and you haven't had a lot of luck, try this. Try doing a collaboration. Bring 2 or 3 people together in your industry who can all add to a certain topic and put that in your media pitch and see if that doesn't help you get on television, magazines, newspapers, radio. So that's this week's PR tip. If you'd like more, please join us in the free PR challenge at www.yourprchallenge.com. It's a 10-day challenge, totally worth your time. It's 10 minutes a day, and I will help you get massive visibility for your business. So I'll see you guys there.